name is Sero. I'm a board-certified behavior analyst and licensed behavior analyst. And today we're going to talk about supporting a child with autism at grocery store. Taking a child with autism to the store can feel overwhelming. Many parents experience situations where their child grabs food and eats it before paying, refuses to let go of a toy, or runs through the aisles. Today, we'll talk about practical step-by-step strategies to make shopping trips easier, predictable, and successful. But before we start, as always, I would like to encourage you to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button below so you can benefit from weekly information on the subject of autism. Let's jump straight into the topic. And the first suggestion is preparing before going to the store. Talk about trips in advance. Explain to your child where you're going, what you'll be buying, and how they should behave. Use a simple script. We're going to the store. We'll buy bread and milk. We will walk together and keep our hands to ourselves. Use visual schedules showing pictures or use a checklist. First, we drive to the store, then we shop, then we leave. Tell the child the rules. We do not eat food until we pay. If we see something we like, we ask first. Use first, then language. First, we buy the toy, then we play with it. You can practice at home by role-playing shopping and pretend to buy things at home in a controlled setting. Work on teaching waiting by using a timer. Wait 10 seconds before getting the snack, for example. Before going to the store, show your child a picture of the store and say, first, we go inside. Then we find our items. Last, we go to the checkout and pay. Second suggestion, prevent unwanted behaviors before they start. Use a shopping list for the child. Give them a small list with pictures of milk, pictures of apples. Let them help find the items to keep them engaged. Keep their hands busy. Give them a fidget toy or something to hold while shopping. Let them push a small cart or hold the shopping list. Tell them before entering the store, if you walk with me and follow the rules, you can pick a small treat at the end. Show a reward picture so they can see what they are working toward. For example, a favorite snack, a sticker, or a tablet time at home. For example, if you keep your hands to yourself in the store, you can have extra playtime when we get home. Third suggestion, use social stories together with first, then language. Read the social story about shopping. Explain that we need to pay before eating. If they grab a toy and won't let go, say, I see you really like this toy. Let's put it in the cart and pay first. If it's not something they can have, offer two other choices. We are not getting this toy, but we can pick between stickers or coloring book. If they grab a food item and start eating, use a first then language. First we pay, then we eat. Have a backup snack from home that they can eat if they are hungry. For example, if the child grabs a bag of chips and starts eating it, I calmly say, oops, let's put it back and go pay first. I take out a small snack from my bag and say, Here's your snack to eat while we wait. The fourth suggestion is keeping the child busy. Running in store can be dangerous, so let's keep them close. Hold the child's hand or let them push the cart to keep them engaged. Use a shopping cart seat for younger children. Teach them to stay near a specific part of the cart. Your hands stay on the handle. If they try to run, say freeze and guide them back. Use a first, then a reminder. First we shop, then we play outside. How does that look? For example, if the child tries to run, I place my hand gently on his shoulder and say, walking feet in the store. I give him a job like holding a box of cereal to keep him engaged. Fifth and last suggestion, praise specific behaviors. Instead of saying, good job, say, good job waiting in line. You're doing awesome keeping your hands to yourself. Don't forget to use a small reward at the end. If they follow the rules, let them choose a small treat or reward, picking a sticker, extra screen time, and so on. For example, if the child follows directions, I tell them, you did an amazing work at keeping your hands to yourself. You get to pick a fun sticker at checkout. My last words to you, parent, caretaker, and therapist, is not to forget that shopping takes time to learn. If the child struggles, that's okay. Start with short trips. Use pictures, timers, and rewards. Every trip is a chance to learn and grow. You've got this. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe for more videos on the subject of autism. See you in the next video.